Welcome once again.
Thank you very much.
My name is Thomas Samuel. So this is our cassava factory. So the steps is that we receive cassava from 3 places: from our own farm, from third party. Then we have some people we call collection aggregation. These people are our own people. We collect from different farmers. They accumulate and they bring to us. This upper, it comes to this conveyor. So there are steps. So one by one I will show you. It comes like this.
Okay.
This is the cassava. This is the wooden part. So this part is not needed. So these people are positioned here strategically. They remove the wooden parts of the cassava. After removing the wooden part, it goes to the next stage. So we call this machine paddle washer because the mechanism is like a paddle, like a ship paddling something forward. So its whole work is to wash the cassava, the soundest part of the cassava, to wash it. After washing it, it goes to another section. Peeling and slicing section. So this is the second layer that we are trying to remove at this peeling section. So you peel it, after peeling it, then it's sent through this machine for slicing. So this stage now, you chop it into small pieces.
We have 2 processes. One is fermented and then the other is unfermented. So currently we are running unfermented. The chips are going directly into the dryer from here.
The first stage of reducing moisture is scoop press. So this reduces the moisture by 10%. So after reducing it by 10%, we now send it to the dryer. This is one phase of the drying, seed drying. So this is the final drying. So you can sense the difference. This section now is called the milling section. So the milling section also is very straightforward. It means that we crush the chips, we sieve it, we remove the fiber, and we send the flour into silage. So one by one, we send the flour into what? Into silage. Yes, for storage. Then we send it for packing. So the first step is that we mill it. Mill is what we call hammer mill. So the hammer mill is like something like hammer. It will beat it into small particles. After beating it, then we send it to plant shifter. So the plant shifter is like a mesh. It will sieve it. So the flour particles will come to the side. The one that we take, we will send it back to another hammer mill. Another hammer mill and another mesh size will mill it again. Then the gradation will go to come to the flour. Then now stage like that 4 times. After the 4th time, anything that is within its fiber, so we send it to the fiber. Fiber is the microbes. Like that has so I put in the back cassava. Always, yes. This is what I want. This is what I want. So